2010 4Runner window belt replacement. This is the window belt on the outside. Mine's peeling, it's all cracked, falling apart. So I'm gonna show you how to replace it. It's really easy actually. Get yourself a plastic pry bar or something similar. Plastic because you don't want to scratch your paint. You want to come right here and pop this side up and then work our way to the left. Now I'm gonna get under here. On this side there's a little tab that locks into place. I'm going to focus on pulling that out. Once that's out, I could just kind of pull this up and kind of work my way to the left. If you still use the pry bar, it's good because it'll make it a lot easier. But you just kind of work your way this way, pull it up, and then eventually it'll pop out. You can just pull it out towards the rear of the car so you can get out from under the mirror. Put it down here. Here's my new one. This is from Toyota. I think this is a dealer part. I could be wrong though. This is my part number for the driver door. Over there on the passenger door, I'll give you the part number as well. It's the same process for over there. Here's the part number for that. The 757 number, that whole number. Make sure there's no debris or left from the previous one. Now, when I put this on, what I do is I kind of put it over here first on the end. I get the end lined up perfect, but I don't push it down yet. And then I just kind of come over here and I'll push the locking tab down into place. Make sure everything lines up perfectly. Make sure that the tab goes in and doesn't break. Make sure this is flush. Now once that's in, I just kind of work my way this way and just push it down. You'll hear it kind of pop a little bit, like if you're popping a bone or something. And then that's how to do it. You just work it all the way. Make sure you get it sealed all the way across. And that's it, guys. Hope this video helped you out.